Turbine engine fuels. Aircraft with turbine engines use a type of fuel different from that of reciprocating aircraft engines. Commonly known as jet fuel, turbine engine fuel is designed for use in turbine engines and should never be mixed with aviation gasoline or introduced into the fuel system of a reciprocating aircraft engine fuel system. The characteristics of turbine engine fuels are significantly different from those of avgas. Turbine engine fuels are hydrocarbon compounds of higher viscosity, with much lower volatility and higher boiling points than gasoline. In the distillation process from crude oil, the kerosene cut from which jet fuel is made condenses at a higher temperature than the naphtha or gasoline cuts. The hydrocarbon molecules of turbine engine fuels are composed of more carbon than are in avgas. As can be seen, there are significant differences between turbine engine fuel and ordinary avgas. Turbine engine fuels sustain a continuous flame inside the engine. They typically have a higher sulfur content than gasoline, and various inhibitors are commonly added them, used to control corrosion, oxidation, ice, and microbial and bacterial growth. These additives often are already in the fuel when it arrives at the airport for use. Turbine fuel volatility. The choice of turbine engine fuel reflects consideration of conflicting factors. While it is desirable to use a fuel that is low in volatility to resist vapor lock and evaporation while in the aircraft's fuel tanks, turbine engine aircraft operate in cold environments. Turbine engines must start readily and be able to restart while in flight. Fuel with high volatility makes this easier. Avgas has a relatively low maximum vapor pressure compared to automotive gasoline, only 7 psi. But the vapor pressure of Jet A is only 0.125 psi at standard atmospheric conditions. Jet B, a blend of Jet A and gasoline, has higher volatility with a vapor pressure between 2 and 3 psi. Turbine engine fuel types. 3 basic turbine engine fuel types are available worldwide, although some countries have their own unique fuels. The first is Jet A. It is the most common turbine engine fuel available in the continental United States. Globally, Jet A1 is the most popular. Both Jet A and Jet A1 are fractionally distilled in the kerosene range. They have low volatility and low vapor pressure. Flash points range between 110 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Jet A freezes at 40 degrees Fahrenheit and Jet A1 freezes at 52.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Most engine operations manuals permit the use of either Jet A or Jet A1. The third basic type of turbine engine fuel available is Jet B. It is a wide-cut fuel that is basically a blend of kerosene and gasoline. Its volatility and vapor pressure reflect this and fall between Jet A and avgas. Jet B is primarily available in Alaska and Canada due to its low freezing point of approximately 58 degrees Fahrenheit, and its higher volatility yields better cold weather performance. Fuel identification. Aircraft and engine manufacturers designate approved fuels for each aircraft and engine, consult manufacturer data, and use only those fuels specified therein. The existence of more than one fuel makes it imperative that fuel be positively identified and never introduced into a fuel system that is not designed for it. The use of dyes in fuel helps aviators monitor fuel type. Avgas for reciprocating engines is dyed various colors for use in different parts of the world. Jet fuel is not dyed. The color of fuel may be referred to in older maintenance manuals. All grades of jet fuel are colorless or straw-colored. This distinguishes them from avgas of any kind that contains dye of some color. Do not release an aircraft for flight with unknown fuel on board. Identifying fuel and ensuring the correct fuel is delivered into storage tanks, fuel trucks, and aircraft fuel tanks is a process aided by labeling. Decals and markings using the same colors as the avgas colors are used. Delivery trucks and hoses are marked as our aircraft tank fuel caps and fill areas. Jet fuel fill hose nozzles are sized too large to fit into an avgas tank fill opening.